How shall I level the single tracks in my song? Is the kick too loud? Is the clap too low on volume? There are many different ways to do a proper mix. Today I will show you how to do this with pinknoise. It's just a reference, and for sure you have to tweak some details later. On channel 1 you see a simple pink noise. The pink noise is adapted to the human hearing curve. This is the difference between pink noise and white noise. Don't use white noise for that, because it doesn't have the adaptation to the human hearing curve. First listen to the pink noise on solo. It's just a noise, nothing special, but it helps you a lot to mix your track. First we adapt the level of the kick drum to the pink noise. So you put the pink noise on solo and also the kick drum channel and lower the level of the kick drum to infinite. Now you start the playback and listen when you can hear the kick drum. On this point you stop to raise the level. Around -17 dB I start to hear the kick drum playing. Now I do the same with the bass in solo. Around -8.5 I start to hear the bass line playing. You can also use this on your drums, your synthesizers, your hi-hats, or whatever you like. This time we try it with a clap. And now let's listen to the kick, bass and clap without the pink noise. To use this method helps you a lot to level your single tracks in the song. For sure, it's not a law to do it like that. And for sure you also need to adapt some levels later on, because sometimes you hear it earlier, sometimes a bit later, depends also on your monitor system. But give it a try, it's a good start.